Ever wanted to create your own song using AI without paying a single dollar? What if your phone could generate original music in seconds just from a simple text idea? Today, I'll show you how to turn your imagination into a real AI-generated song using Google Gemini. Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where you learn the smartest tech tricks and AI tools that make your digital life easier. Step 1. Update the Gemini app. First, make sure your Gemini app is updated to the latest version available on your device. Open the App Store or Play Store and check if any update is available for Gemini. New features like AI music generation only appear in the newest versions of the app. Once the update finishes installing, launch Gemini to begin creating your AI music. Step 2. Open Gemini and access the tools. Menu after opening Gemini. Look at the bottom of the screen for the Tools button. Tap on it to reveal different AI features available inside the app. These tools include options for creating images, writing content, and now generating music with AI. The Tools section is where you'll find the feature needed to create your first AI song. Step 3. Select the Create Music feature. Inside the Tools menu, find and select Create Music. This option activates Gemini's AI music generator. The feature allows you to produce original songs based entirely on your written prompt. Once selected, the chat box will appear where you can describe your song idea. Step 4. Write a detailed music prompt. Now it's time to describe the song you want Gemini to create. You can specify the genre, mood, theme, instruments, tempo, and style. For example, you might request a relaxing lo-fi beat with piano and soft drums. The more detailed your prompt is, the better and more accurate the AI-generated music will sound. Step 5. Add an image or video for inspiration. Gemini also allows you to attach images or videos to your music prompt. When you upload visual content, the AI analyzes it and generates music that matches the vibe. This is perfect for creating background music for videos, reels, or YouTube content. It's an incredibly powerful way to make your music feel more cinematic and personalized. Quick tip before we continue. If you enjoy learning new AI tools and smart tech tricks, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie. I upload fresh tutorials every week showing you the latest AI apps, hidden phone features, and powerful online tools you should know about. Step 6. Generate your AI song. Once your prompt is ready, send it in the chat just like a normal message. Gemini will immediately start processing your request. Within a few seconds, the AI will generate a complete music track based on your description. You'll see the generated song appear directly in your chat window. Step 7. Listen to the generated track. When the music is ready, tap the play button to listen to your AI-generated song. Gemini automatically produces a track that matches your prompt's style and mood. You can replay it as many times as you want to evaluate the sound and quality. Many users are surprised by how professional and creative AI music can sound. Step 8. Use the caption and controls. At the top of the music player, you'll notice additional controls. One of these options allows you to turn closed captions on or off. Captions can help if your AI song contains lyrics or spoken elements. This makes it easier to follow along with the generated content. Step 9. Share or download your song. Once you're happy with your track, you can easily share it with others. Gemini allows you to send the music through text messages, email, or social media platforms. You can also download the song directly to your device. The track can be saved as an MP3 file or a video format, perfect for content creation. Step 10. Improve or regenerate the music. If the song isn't exactly what you expected, don't worry. You can ask Gemini to modify the track with a follow-up prompt. For example, you might request faster tempo, different instruments, or a new mood. The AI will generate a new version until you get the perfect sound you're looking for. And that's how you can create original AI music completely free using Google Gemini. This tool is quickly becoming one of the most exciting AI features for creators, musicians, and content producers. Whether you need background music for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or just want to experiment with AI creativity, Gemini makes the entire process incredibly simple. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more powerful tech tutorials, AI tools, and smart digital tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. What if you could create stunning AI images in seconds using just a simple text idea? No design skills, no complicated software, just type what you imagine. Today, I'll show you exactly how to generate and edit AI images using Google Gemini. Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where you discover powerful AI tools and smart tech tips that make your digital life easier. Step 1. Understand the 2 ways to create images. Google Gemini gives you 2 powerful ways to create images with AI. You can either generate a brand new image from scratch or edit an existing photo. This flexibility allows creators to design visuals for YouTube thumbnails, social media posts, or creative projects. No advanced editing skills are required. Gemini's AI handles the entire creative process. Step 2. Gemini's new image model, Nano Banana. Google recently introduced an advanced image generation model called Nano Banana. This AI model automatically powers the image creation and editing tools inside Gemini. It produces more detailed, realistic, and visually impressive images than previous versions. The best part is that it's automatically enabled, so you don't need to turn anything on manually. Step 3. Upload an image if you want to edit one. If you want to edit an existing image, start by tapping the plus icon on the left side of the chat box. From there, you can upload a photo directly from your device. You can also use Gemini's built-in camera to capture a photo instantly. This image will act as the reference that the AI will modify based on your instructions. Step 4. Write a clear prompt for your image. Once your image is attached, the next step is writing a clear and detailed prompt. Your prompt should describe the exact changes you want the AI to make. For example, you could ask Gemini to change colors, adjust lighting, or add new elements to the image. The clearer your instructions are, the better the AI will understand your request. Step 5. Generate a brand new image from scratch. If you want to create a completely new image, simply type a prompt describing what you want to see. Gemini will transform your written idea into a fully generated AI image. This is perfect for creating concept art, social media visuals, marketing images, or creative projects. All it takes is a few descriptive words to bring your imagination to life. Before we continue, if you enjoy learning about powerful AI tools and hidden tech features, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie. I share new tutorials every week showing you the latest apps, AI tools, and smart digital tricks you should know about. Step 6. Be descriptive in your prompt. Whether you're editing a photo or generating a new one, details matter a lot. Include things like the subject, environment, style, lighting, colors, and mood. Detailed prompts help Gemini produce higher quality and more accurate images. Step 7. Edit specific parts of an image. If you're editing an image, you can request very specific changes. For instance, you might say, Gemini will focus on modifying only the parts you mentioned. This allows you to fine-tune images without completely regenerating them. Step 8. Use style references for better results. You can also guide the AI by referencing specific visual styles or aesthetics. For example, you might request realistic photography, cinematic lighting, minimalist design, or anime style. These style instructions help Gemini understand the creative direction of your image. You can even mention styles you want the AI to avoid for better control. Step 9. Wait for Gemini to generate the image. Once your prompt is ready, send it just like a normal message in the chat. Gemini will begin generating your image using its AI model. The generation process may take a few seconds depending on server traffic and prompt complexity. When the image is ready, it will appear directly inside your chat conversation. Step 10. View and save your generated image. Tap the generated image to open it in full screen preview mode. From there, you can review all the details created by the AI. You'll also see options to save the image to your device's camera roll. Another option lets you copy the image and paste it anywhere you need. Step 11. Request edits if needed. If the image isn't exactly what you imagined, you can request changes. Simply send another prompt describing what adjustments you want the AI to make. For complex edits, it helps to organize your instructions in a numbered list. This ensures Gemini clearly understands each modification you want applied. Step 12. Use generated images as references. After generating an image, you can use it as a reference for future prompts. This makes it easier to continue your creative project with a consistent visual style. For example, you can generate multiple images that match the same design theme. This is extremely helpful for creators working on YouTube thumbnails, branding, or visual storytelling. And that's how you can create and edit AI images using Google Gemini. With powerful tools like Gemini, anyone can generate professional quality visuals without design experience. Whether you're creating images for social media, content creation, or personal projects, AI is making creativity faster and easier than ever before. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more powerful tech tutorials and AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Did you know Google Gemini saves your previous chats automatically? If you care about privacy or just want a clean chat history, this is something you should know. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find and delete your Gemini chat history in seconds. Welcome to Preyo Phonie, where you learn the smartest tech tricks, AI tools, and hidden app features. Step 1. Open the Gemini app. To begin, unlock your device and open the Google Gemini app. Make sure you are signed into the correct Google account before continuing. This ensures you're managing the chat history linked to your personal account. Once the app loads, you'll be able to access your previous AI conversations. Step 2. Tap the menu icon. Next, look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu icon with 3 horizontal lines. Select this icon to open the Gemini Sidebar menu. This panel displays your account options and conversation history. Step 3. View your previous chat history. After opening the sidebar, scroll down to the bottom section of the menu. Here, you'll see a list containing all your previous Gemini chats. Each chat represents a conversation you've had with the AI assistant. From here, you can manage, review, or remove any conversation you want. Step 4. Select the chat you want to delete. Find the specific chat conversation you want to remove. Instead of tapping it normally, press and hold the chat for a moment. Holding the chat will open a small pop-up options menu. This menu contains actions you can perform for that conversation. Before we continue, if you enjoy learning smart AI tips and hidden tech features, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie. I post simple step-by-step tech tutorials that help you get the most out of your apps and devices. Step 5. Tap the delete option. From the pop-up menu that appears, choose the delete option. This command tells Gemini that you want to remove the selected chat. Deleting the chat helps keep your conversation list clean and organized. It's also useful if you want to remove private or sensitive discussions. Step 6. Confirm the deletion. After tapping delete, a confirmation message will appear. This step ensures you don't accidentally remove an important chat. Tap confirm to permanently delete the conversation. Once confirmed, Gemini will erase the chat along with any saved activity related to it. Step 7. Repeat for other chats. If you want to remove more conversations, simply repeat the same process. Press and hold another chat from the list. Select the delete option again and confirm the removal. Within seconds, you can clear multiple Gemini chats from your history. And that's how you can quickly clear your chat history on the Google Gemini app. Managing your chat history is a simple but important way to keep your AI conversations organized and your privacy protected. Whether you want a cleaner interface or you're removing old discussions, this process only takes a few seconds. If this tutorial helped you, Make sure to like the video and subscribe to Preyo Phonie for more smart AI tutorials, hidden app tricks, and powerful tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.